The travel business is one business that you could start today and start making money as soon as possible. It's very easy. I've been doing it and you can do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money like this, by following these simple steps and following exactly what I'm going to show you. This is going to be a step-by-step video. So make sure you are tuned in, put away any distraction, because this video is going to help you to quit an 9 to 5, and have financial freedom to do whatever it is you want. Let me show you how to make this kind of money on a regular basis every single day. I'm going to show you several websites that can make this happen to go on this tutorial. And let's jump in my system. Now, this is one website that you could use to simply make money in the travel space. Now, how do you make money from travel space? Several ways to make money from travel space. One way is to simply start your own flight booking business. What I mean is, you could simply have a website, right? And the website, people can come in your website and book flights from your website. This way is a very effective way to make money in the flight booking space. Now, this is a bit not so easy to start, but it's a very profitable way to get into the business. You need the website, you need to have like ancillaries on your website. And that way you make money booking the website. And to get this part of the business started, you need a good budget and some things to be in place to make this one happen for you. I'm going to show you other ways that is quite easy. Now, for me to show you that I know what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you my own website. So you see that I am walking the talk, meaning I have this. I'm currently running one that makes me money on a regular basis. All right, so let me take you to my website. Now, this is my website, right? And on this website, you could simply come in here and book your flight. And when you come and book your flight, I make money from every flight you book. Okay. I also have the permission to have hotels. You come on my website and book a hotel. All right. And I also have for cabs, and I also have one very good one, which will help you to book tourist packages. Also have insurance. All of this I have on my website. Now you could have this one going for you, but then, like I said, it might be a bit expensive. You have a website, get everything. You might not be able to go that route. Although if you go this route, you will make a lot of money in the flight space. But let's come back here. Now, what I'm talking to you about is starting an affiliate marketing business in the flight space. So this is what you will do. You simply come on this website, all right? This website is called getyourguide.agency. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so feel free to check it out later on. Now, this website can help you simply to start earning in the flight space. You don't have to build a complete website in a booking platform where people can come and book, unlike the one I have. You could simply just have a basic blog, and that blog, you would drive traffic to the blog, and then when people book flights, you make money from people that are being booked. So this is what I mean. And when you come on this website, you simply come check out what they have. You see, you could earn as high as £1,500 per month. You can earn more than this. All right, really, you can earn more than this. I know I've been able to hit this figure, back to back. So this is very possible. But this is what they're telling you. On an average, you can make this. And how do you do this? You monetize your expertise. Don't worry, even if you're not an expert in the flight space, you can become an expert gradually by, first of all, maybe digest a lot of content on the flight space, or maybe you could sign in for different courses. For example, have a course that can teach you everything you need to know about flight business, flight space, so you can become an expert. But you could go out there, read, go on YouTube, watch videos, all right, and get a lot of information about what happens in flight space. Then you could start talking about this information. There, you get to drive people to your content, and then from there, they make reservations using your link, make money. If you're watching the video, you know how affiliate marketing works. It works simply like this. Somebody has a product, and you then promote the product, and whenever somebody buys this product from your platform, your website, your app, your WhatsApp status, wherever they buy the product from, you get a commission. The same thing works with the flight space. All right. So this is exactly how it works. So you want to get started with this website, which is getyourguide.agency. All you simply need to do is click on Get Started, which is here. So on Get Started, it's going to take you to another page where you first of all verify if you're human. And after verifying if you're human, then it's going to take you to the page where you have to sign up. I'm not going to sign up on this website because this is not a tutorial for Get Your Guide. It's a tutorial on how to get started in the flight business space. Flight booking space, I beg your pardon. So this is how you do it. Sign up, make a booking, start earning. It's as simple as that. Right. So let me scroll down to see more information. Now, what they have a lot of access to about 150 travel experiences, monetize experts. They have dedicated customer support. You register as a travel agent. This is where you need to look at here. You register as a travel agent, confirm your affiliate account, log into your portal. Now, mind you, at the time of visiting this website, some of the things might have changed. When I started with them, this is not the interface, all right? But changed, keep updating. Most websites update almost regularly. So if you log onto the website and you don't see it like this, just know that they've done some tweaks, but the information is the same. You simply will come here, you register, you confirm your account, and then you log into your portal, and that's where you can start using your personal link, which is here, to book. Either you book or you help other people book, or you send them the link so that they can book. All right, so there are different ways. You either book the website by yourself, you can give them the link to book by themselves. All right, and this way you will still make a commission, whether you do it yourself or they do it or they do it using your account. I hope this makes sense. So this is how it works. So let's scroll down to get more information. So you see why it's good. So they're trusted. The question you have, you can come here, right? You want to know what they are. They're online marketplace for tours, activities, and attractions. So if this is something you're interested in, please go ahead and use Get Your Guide, an awesome website. Get to make money, not just on booking flights itself, but for other things like tourism and other little perks here and there. Very good one, and I advise jump on it. If you need to get the website, check the description. The website will be there. Have any questions, feel free to ask. Before you ask a question, we'll get to the end and answer the question. Cool. The next website I'll be showing you is this one, which is auroras.insure. What these guys do is provide travel insurance. Basically, nowadays you can't travel without travel insurance. This is what they offer you. How do you join them? Simply join by clicking on join now and go on to sign up. But let me show you some of the benefits. They have highest money commissions. You get commission when anybody use your link, to apply for the insurance. Smart payment system, no traffic limits, personal partner account, sales manager 247. I mean, sales manager that's assigned to you. All right. Okay, so this is all of it. So you want to contact them, the email is there, but simply click on join now, and this is how you join. You do the same thing, they'll give you a link, and that link you put blog on a website on Instagram. So you don't necessarily need a website just to work. It's recommended, it makes everything easier, but go ahead without a website if you want to use this guy. Now, this is pretty much how they work. Their commission is also very good. All right. And guys, this is a business you should start today because not a lot of people are talking about this. I'm sure if you go on YouTube, type travel, affiliate market, and all of that, you would not see a lot of people talking about this, meaning this is not, there's still a lot of room for you and I to make a lot of money from it. The competition in this space is very little. All right. Very, very little. A whole lot of money, in a very short time. So I hope you pay attention and you have your writing pad, the resolution to make this work for you. Getting information and not acting on it is pointless. You need to act on it. Let's go to the next one. Don't worry, once you get to the end, I'm going to show you the one that I use on a regular basis. I use back to back, right, to make a lot of sales. This is TripAdvisor. Now, TripAdvisor is a very popular one. We know it is a big brand. Now, the same thing, work with world's largest travel site and earn minimum of 50% commission. Guys, minimum. Let me show you where the money is in this. If you are traveling, say you are traveling, people are traveling to, for somebody going from the US to say to Germany or to Africa, for example, and you're spending about say $1,800. Okay, this is people do. And you can make as high as 50% commission from this, meaning you can make as high as, do the maths, half of this. So what it means is that this is a good business. And look how many people travel per day, per hour. Let's find out. Let's go on Google and ask Google how many people travel per day, per hour using flights. Okay, just making this up. Let's see. Difficult to give a precise number, but we can estimate an average about 99,000 commercial flights per day. 99,000. Now, all you need is 1% of this 99,000. So use your link, every single day. You know how much that is. So it's a very profitable one, and I'm sure you're gonna grab this by the horn. The last one I'm gonna show you, which is the platform that I use, is no other than drumrolling TravelStart. TravelStart is a very good one. They have TravelStart US, TravelStart UK, they also have TravelStart NG. Now, regardless of whichever you're using, TravelStart is a very good one. You can also make money, affiliating their flight plans here. And what you need to do is sign up on TravelStart. An account here, you can have an account, and this is quite very nice. If you scroll down here, you see become an affiliate here. Click on it. All right, it takes you to the become an affiliate page. And here, once when you sign up with them, I'm going to do a separate tutorial for all of this, so don't worry. But when you sign up with them, you get an account like a dashboard, and that in your dashboard you get your link, your affiliate link, and affiliate link can simply take that link, promote it, put it on your website, put it in social media posts, and then make money from it. Don't worry, as time goes on, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. I will be making several videos on how you can get traffic, how you can get customers, people to use your link with a website and without a website. I'm going to show you several ways. Like I said, website is important. It makes the work a lot easier. You make a lot of profit as you go, but then it's optional. You can use other ways to money with this method. And if you're finding it difficult to either sign up or get started, or you want a one-on-one coaching with us, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll point you in the right direction where you could get started. And I will help you set up the flight business so that you can make a lot of money on the table. There's very few competition space, right? And many affiliates are not rushing towards this at the moment. But over time, it might change. So this is time for you to jump into this. And if you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comment section. I'll gladly answer your questions. And subscribe to the channel, like I said, click on the bell button, check on all the videos we made. We'll have several videos there on how to make money with traveling, with drop shipping, with e-commerce, whatever it is you want to do. Our aim here is to make sure you quit your job, have a very good side hustle that can keep generating you at least $10,000. Thank you for watching at this point.